Let's go guys, it's Raoul TV, Team R for you all, your favourite YouTube mechanic back again. And what I've got here is a Nissan Micra 2007 Nissan Micra. We're going to go ahead and replace the rear wheel bearing. Not the hardest job in the world. I mean, if you get it on the ramp, it shouldn't take you that long. If you're doing it on the floor, make sure it's nice and safe. Okay, get some actual stands on it, make sure it's nice and safe. You don't want the car falling on you. Anyways, here, let's go ahead, let's do it. Okay, I've sent the car up on the ramp, as you can see there. I'm going to go ahead and take the wheel off. To take the wheel off, 19mm socket, get a gun, strong arm, and let's take it off. Okay, the next thing what we need is tool-wise, you need some safety glasses. Get these glasses on. Okay, you need a hammer and a chisel or a screwdriver, flat screwdriver, where you can hit it. And we need to take this center cap off. Okay, let's take the center cap off. Reason why I said wear glasses, anytime you're hammering something, wear some safety glasses, because the last thing you want is a shard of metal or anything going in your eye, mess your day up big time. So safety glasses, and if it still goes in, then it's written for you. Anyway, let's get this off. Okay, so as you can see there, I've just hammered it there a little bit and it's starting to come away. We're going to do the same on this side as well. Main objective is we're going to take this cap off and we'll go from there. This cap here, we'll have to take that cap off. Next thing what we're going to do is we need a size 30 socket. Put it on there, get a breaker bar, take it off with the breaker bar, or if you've got a powerful gun, take it off with the gun. Okay, so we need to take that center nut off there, the hub nut, we have to take that off. Size 30, let's get that off. I've already cracked it on mine with the breaker bar, with the strong arm, so I'm going to whiz it off with the gun. But please bear in mind that was absolutely, it's really tight. It was really tight. So I had to get the breaker bar on it, get the tube on it for some more extra leverage, and yeah, take it off that way. The center nut is off, the hub nut that is. Now all you have to do is give it a little hit on the drum here. Okay, so I'll demonstrate. Give it a little hit. Right, and that hub should come off. Get both hands onto it, it should come off. So I'm going to do that. We'll put the camera on the stand and I'll see if I can take it off. So I'll give it a little tap. That should, both hands onto it. There we go, happy days. The drum comes off. The drum is off in my hands. Let's go. So like I mentioned, there we have it. The drum is off. So we're going to push this bearing out. And yeah, let's see what happens. Okay, the next job for us is we're going to get some circlip pliers. Okay, nice straight ones. And we're going to take that circlip off in there. As you can see there. Obviously I'm going to get both hands onto this one. And basically, as you can see there, I'm clamping it. We get a screwdriver on the side and just take that off. Right, okay, so I need both hands on this one, so bear with me and I will see you in a bit. Okay guys, for this next part you need either, okay, a vise, okay, or you need a press. Okay, I'm going to do it with a press, but if you're going to do it with a vise, what you need to do is you need to batter it out first, then obviously press it out. A lot of headache that way. Best thing to do is get a press or borrow a press from somewhere, and all you do is just press it out. Happy days. Just be careful when you get to the end. The ABS sensor's there, so just bear that in mind. You don't want to go crushing the ABS sensor. That'll really make your day. So when you get to the end there, just put a longer socket on it and then obviously take it off that way. Let's go. Okay, so there we have it, the new one's there. So we're going to put the new one in. This one can go in either way. It doesn't really matter. It hasn't got a step or anything on the inside. Just push it straight on. So we put that in there like that. And what we do is we get the old shell, put the shell over it like that, as you can see there. Right, and what we do is we get a flat plate on top of that. That should go straight in. Press it in. Flat plate like this basically. Obviously I will adjust the press. And that's about it. Let's press it in. As you can see, that's the old shell. I've got the old shell in there, the new bearings in there. Got that plate on there, and all I'm going to do now is just press it in. All the way in. That's great, that's looking absolutely fantastic. We're going to press that in all the way, and then obviously we're going to knock that shell out. It should come straight out. Get a pliers, big dogs or something on that. It should come straight off. Okay, I've pressed the new bearing in. The circlip is in there, but not in all the way. So I'll show you guys. Obviously, just get the circlip pliers on there, squash it. As you can see, I've squashed it, and now release that. Happy days, that should... There we go. All in. Let's refit it. Let's finish the job off. Let's go. Okay, so all I'm going to do now is, I mean, if you want, you can give that a clean out. All the hub, all the shoes and everything, give them a clean out if you want. I'm not going to bother. It's here for the wheel bearing. That's all I'm going to do. So, put that back on there. Let's get the center nut on. We've got the new center nut that comes with it. Put that one on. Okay, people say to me, what's the torque settings and everything? You know what, I don't really torque them up. You know, I've been doing it for the past 25 years. So I've got, you know, I know when it's tight. So all I do is get the breaker bar, strong arm, 30 socket on there. That is tight enough. I'm going to put that cap back on, new cap. That is it, guys. That is job done. Wheel bearing is back on. Happy days. All good, done and dusted. That's how we replaced the wheel bearing, the rear wheel bearing that is, on a Nissan Micra 2006-7 kind of thing. I mean, it's not the hardest job in the world, right? So yeah, that's it. I hope this video helps you guys out. If it didn't help you guys out, I'm sorry. I'm trying my best. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell button for me. Leave a comment in the comment section. Raoul TV. Team R for you well. We'll see you guys next time. See you guys.